Dribble-Ron strategy, FTT strategy, based on DeMarker, EMA, Parabolic SAR. 1 minute. Signal to trade down. A multiple candlestick downtrend under the Parabolic SAR crosses the EMA downwards with the DeMarker below 0.5. Heiken-Ashi downtrend. The downtrend crosses the EMA downwards. The Parabolic SAR is above the downtrend. DeMarker is below 0.5. Open 1-minute trades. Profit $252. Signal to trade up. A multiple candlestick uptrend above the Parabolic SAR crosses the EMA upwards with the DeMarker above 0.5. Heiken-Ashi uptrend. The uptrend crosses the EMA upwards. The Parabolic SAR is under the uptrend. The DeMarker is above 0.5. Open 1-minute trades. Profit $252. Olymp Trade.